Welcome back to BSpice. In this session, we'll focus on level switch hookup diagram. So, level switch in the sense, there are many types. So, one is the conductivity type integral that is mounted, integrally. Then we have a level switch conductivity remote type. The remote will be mounting that in the remote, and also the level switch float operated and level switch displacer type. And finally, we wind up with level switch vibrating fork type. These are the 5 types we are going to deal in this session. Okay. Hope you will enjoy this session. So yes, let me take you through. Yeah, this is the level switch conductivity integral type. So integral in the sense it is, it's within that, assembly. Everything is together actually, right? The complete assembly. Okay, so let's go one by one. Number one, conductivity level switch. It's basically, in my case, it's 1.5 inch NPT male. And of course, this is instrument scope. Okay. So number one, this is the level switch. Then number two, okay, that is what this is the nozzle. This is 2.5 inch ANSI 150 pounds. This is the nozzle. 2.5 inch ANSI and 150. This is again by static team. The static team will provide this. Okay. Then we have number 3. This is the bolt and nuts. In fact, number 3 and number 4, bolt, nut, gasket, all these. Again, the static team will provide. Then we have a number 5. This is your vessel actually. Then we have number 6, blind flange. This guy. The blind flange, that is again by static team. That is for this, what do you call, for this 2.5 ANSI 150. Okay. Then number 6, 7, it's a cable gland. And number 8 is signal cable. And number 9 is a power cable. So this is all about this, level switch conductivity integral type. And again, as I said earlier, the scoping, everything up to this, the flange, everything they will provide. Now, static team. Only our scope is this instrument. That's it, friends. Okay. This is about the level switch conductivity integral. Okay. So the note you can see here, friends, of 1.5 inch NPT female threading to be drilled on the 2.5 blind flange. So here in this, we need to drill the hole. Okay. Of course, they will provide everything. Don't have to worry. Then we'll discuss about the conductivity type. This is a remote type actually. You see here, friends. So everything is same, same. Scoping also same, right? Only thing is this, assembly is mounted here using a stanchion. Okay. Let us see one by one. Number 1, equipment. Okay. This one. Number 2, again, that is the nozzle, flange, everything. 2.5 inch 150 by static team. And number 3 is the conductivity switch here. Yes. So that is there. That is again by instrument scope. Then sensor to the transmitter cable. Okay, this is number 4. So this is your sensor. This is your transmitter. This cable by us, that is number 4, instrument. Then number 5, transmitter. Of course, this is transmitter. Then we have what do you call cable gland. Number 6 is a cable gland, right? This one. And number 7 is power cable, and number 8 is the signal cable. Then this is the stanchion. So you may be wondering why we need to mount here. Basically, friends, to bring the display here, that's all. See, somebody, don't want to go up, right? So we need to bring it down. So that is the intent actually. This is what typical I just want to show you. This is about the remote type. Then we go to the other type, the displacer type, float operated. Sorry, not displacer, float operated. So again, if you see here, this is your equipment actually. Equipment in the sense it's a vessel. Then number 2, again, this all, flange, gasket, nut, bolt, everything by the static team. Number 3 is switch bias instrument team, and number 4 cable gland, and number 5 is your signal cable. So this is how we need to represent, friends. You can also see the scoping until this static team, and this all by instrument. You see the float how it is mounted. Yeah, this is how we need to represent the hookup for this level switch float operated. Then we'll go to the level switch displacer type. So again, this is on the vessel. Number 1 is a vessel equipment by static team, and number 2 is the flange assembly, nut, bolt, everything by the static team. Then number 3, this is our level switcher, displacer type level switcher. This is the one. And number 4 cable gland, and number 5 signal cable. So the complete assembly up to the static and is all by instrument, friends. This is the look and feel of the displacer type. Okay, yeah. So then we have, what is that? Fork type, vibrating fork type. So this is also similar almost, actually, not much difference. Again, number 1 equipment by static, and number 2 all these flange assembly, everything by our static team, nozzle, everything. Then number 3 is the vibrating. See, you can see the fork, right? Yeah, this is how it has to be, friends. That is the intent, actually. See, it's not a very difficult thing, but just want to give you look and feel. And number 4 is a cable gland, and number 5 is a signal cable. So that's all, friends, the 5 types of level switch. Okay, so the next we'll focus on the level transmitter. Stay tuned. Thank you for your support, friends. Keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.